Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GEFF shelf module part #WR71X24428. The GEFF shelf module part #WR71X24428 is a replacement shelf for GE refrigerators. It is designed to fit select models of GE refrigerators and provides additional storage space for food and other items. The shelf is made of durable plastic and features a white finish that will blend in with the interior of your refrigerator. The shelf measures approximately 16 inches wide by 17 inches deep, and it has a weight capacity of up to 50 pounds. This shelf module is easy to install and comes with all the necessary hardware for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement shelf for a refrigerator. It fixes the symptom of a broken or damaged shelf. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the shelves and drawers from the refrigerator. 3. Locate the shelf module mounting holes on the side walls of the refrigerator. 4. Insert the shelf module into the mounting holes and secure it with screws provided in the package. 5. Place shelves and drawers back into their respective positions in the refrigerator. 6. Plug in the refrigerator to a wall outlet and test for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.